get me marchetta on the cheek. I said, spare me, just leave it out. So what? I'm a little bit of a criminal. Okay, it's business.
Daddy didn't leave you his company, so you decided to steal it? You devalued our stock and you framed Fabiella.
You'll be facing some major SEC violations, Mr. Katzenbach.
Fine.
You wanna be played. Trying to step to these babies like a cheap soothsayer. But you've been kicked to the curb. Your time's up.
Si Birdie. Si Birdie, harap mo.
Booyah!
Wala.
Para na siyang bonggok.
Alright, so what?
Bird na dog.
I built this company too. It's my fault.
Doon rin sila naka...
Ang video ba yan?
Sige ma.
Bonggok.
Bravo, girls. You deserve your happiness.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to you. I'm impressed.